look at this. This is just like we've got gravel where the land where I live, and they've like made new roads, and with the sand and the gravel, tomato plants are here.
This one was really tall like this, and he's clearly just not been able to manage his own size. When I first found him, he
But
was
they
not this
like
big.
we haven't done anything. We've like peed next to them once or twice.
We haven't watered them or
No.
taken care. We didn't plant these here. I just discovered this one day, about this size. Like, imagine he was.
So it's cool to see just tomatoes growing without any human interference. And it's not only this one. Come and look there, everywhere, everywhere. These ones.
Baby ones. It's a bit late, but you know they're already tomatoes. So
And they're doing it.
they're doing it.
There's many more. Not many more, but there's like every... Here's another one. This one ain't got any tomatoes yet. So it's like semi-wild tomatoes. They're probably from someone's compost or shit or something. Or someone's or a bird. And when they moved all the soil, like this one has tiny, tiny tomatoes. Yeah, you can see a little bit. And then we have the boss, who's like not the biggest of size, but I think the tomatoes are looking good. They look fine. And then when you touch tomatoes and stuff and you smell your fingers, it smells fucking amazing.
And there's even this one.
Tiny one here.
And there's another one over there. Two more over there.
They're just growing everywhere. Semi-wild tomatoes.
I think they're wild.
Yeah, but it's like semi-wild.
We didn't plant them.
This one hasn't got any tomatoes, right? Oh, right, we got one. One tiny, tiny.
And then there's another little tiny one.
But it got none.
No, flowers though, so...
Yes, it's gonna.
Yeah.
It'll happen. And we'll see. We'll probably make a video when they're finished, just because when we eat them fresh wild tomatoes. That would be a new experience.
Oh, there's another one.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. This one.
And another one.
They like this soil for some reason.
You can recognize them really easily. And smell them.
But I mean, if tomato
Yeah.
grew easily like this without anyone doing anything, weed would probably grow like this also.
Yeah, I've always thought this.
Tomato and weed are like so closely related.
Didn't you have a friend who said he's just been throwing hemp seeds everywhere?
Yeah, no, but that was like 2 years ago when they had a mini psychosis.
But I noticed these tomato plants like maybe 3 weeks ago or a month ago, and I made a video on my channel. So you can see their progress if you care from how much they've grown compared to the first video.
Mrs. Sunshine has a video about them tomatoes also.
2, I think.
2, you think?
Yeah.
Okay, here's a third. And it's gonna be called like semi-wild tomatoes, so I like to say.
Is so huge.
Yeah, you just look, just from far away, you can like even see that.
Well, this is a different plant.
Yeah, everything except that one, but it's like a huge bush, and it's going out on the sides, and
It went like in every direction, like across.
it's pretty cool stuff.
Yeah.
And these ones have a different shape than the other ones. Like this one is more round
It's a
And-
different type of tomato.
and more yellowish. Yeah,
It's a different type of tomato.
I think it's a different type of tomato. That's exactly what I was
In
gonna
English,
say.
I would call that like, I think they're called like ox beef tomatoes or something really weird that relates to an animal. Beefy tomato.
But I think that was all for this video. I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit, show the wild tomatoes. Got any last words?
Peace and love.
Peace.